Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you guys on a tutorial on how to bisect a line. If you visited my channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell below. Thank you. Now, bisection of line is not something difficult. Forget about the grammar. It is something very simple. You can do it at your fingertip. Now I will take you slowly on the steps required to bisect a line. First, you draw the line to bisect and label it A and B. Let's take, for example, let's take 10 centimeter. We're going to bisect 10 centimeter now. Now, this is here to 10. This is our 10 centimeter line. Now, you label this line A and B. The second step required is with your compass. Now, this is your compass. You pin it at A. You open at a radius approximately the half of this line. Let's say this is the middle of the line. You extend it at most before. Now this is what we do. Assuming this is the center of the line. Now you cut. You cut at A. You stand at B. You cut. Now you repeat this below. You cut. And you cut. Now the last step is for you now to join a straight line across the arc you inscribe. This is what you do, and you make sure the line passes through the center of the arc. This against this. You now draw. This is how you bisect any line given. Thank you.